See now this one make her the third motor where I don't carry this morning. Where I get show today. I get show today. This one make her the third motor where I don't carry this morning. The driver when they carry me go dance. He not tell me say motor no good. Now this morning, around 10, now he come tell me say the motor no good. As he come tell me say motor no good now, I come run, come go find another motor. Before I come see another motor, time don't they go. The second motor where I see, I said don't quick I carry person. Say one go drop person for dance, make on carry me. I come wait. As the motor they come for road now, the motor costs this spoil. It costs this spoil for road. Now I come the find motor this morning. I don't see.
How you all doing, guys?
Now I come see motor when they carry me.
How na day? This network, you won't start your own. You won't start your own, no. Ayegbema. How na day, my amazing people? Please thumbs up this video and share, okay, guys? Thumbs up this video. They come make I off other what went wrong? Okay, let me. How na day, guys? Please thumbs up and share this video, okay? Oh, now let me share the video. All right, let me share. Something happened today to our lovely lady. Wait. Guys, share the video, okay? When I first do this, let me conk this laptop for head. Something terrible happened to Mama OK show. So I want you all to see, to watch it, okay, guys? May una see wetin they use Mama OK age see for Nigeria, for Benin today. May una see wetin they use see o. So about quite disappointment, not be so much. I really felt for her when I saw the video. Like it was not funny at all. What's not wrong with my connection, eh? Why Miena? Oh, let me see. Okay. You see me? You don't go connect to who say you may go to connect to this thing, eh? No wonder. How na dey, my people? Please share the video. Share as you are joining. Share the video. Say you may you go to connect to the one where they not say you. Allah Kori. Guys, share the video, okay? May we listen to her together, okay?
Hello, my friends, fans, and family.
I don't feel some.
Una do, how una dey? Make una see the thing where people they do person, yo. See now this one make her the third motor where I don't carry this morning. Where I get show today. This one make her the third motor where I don't carry this morning. The driver when they carry me go dance. He not tell me say motor not good. Now this morning, around 10, now he come tell me say the motor not good. As he come tell me say motor not good now, I come wrong.
Please, guys, as you are joining, let me share, I beg. I not fit share the video because of network.
Time don't they go. The second motor where I see, I said don't quick I carry person. Say one go drop person for dance, make on carry me. I can't wait. As the motor they come for road now, the motor costs this spoil. It costs this spoil for road. Now I call the find motor this morning.
Imagine. Hell.
Tomorrow, that is I go to that dust. I'm not going to that dust. So they're not the Simoto. They're not the Simoto. And never is dust by this side. Never is dust where they go. If you carry a ball, send me the conqueror, you go down. Send me the conqueror, you go down. The offense go carry that dust. Carry that Mexico dust. You go there.
Imagine.
The offense carry
My lady, my lady say that party get as it be. This is a sign. You sure, my lady? You sure?
You go close for that dust. You go first, you go carry this sometimes. Some boss, they carry to the show, for show.
Some boss,
before they go carry you, maybe midnight. Sometimes your instrument go sleep for where you dance. I beg. Anybody where don't say get this kind of boss. I go suffer they pay. If they don't to suffer me. Now this kind of boss now they pay. See.
Guys, Mona share the video, okay? Thumbs up.
If I don't feel pay, I want to suffer the pay.
I want more fair listing before we talk our own. Market the 10 centimeters way. I dey use our eat rice, so yeah. Mona called Jamie eat rice.
Very cool. Very very wanna go warm my head. But begging me wanna go warm my head, wanna go now. But begging me wanna go warm my head. I think I can instrument. Anybody have instrument? Gradually, let's I'll sit by motor one day. I'll sit by motor one day. If I see this kind of fault, I go suffer the pay. I go suffer the pay. The suffer is too much. Oja bufe. Iga isikume nani awon nyaku. Odo arobi ere, odo atalo. Amama mloka seto marere. Amama mloka seto marere. Ile moto. Ya mi gbona ife kwa hasa. Ya fe kwa hasa. Kere no.
I say. My sister, sometimes we overlook things when God is protecting you from something you will not understand. Last week, my friend lose his brother with this kind of thing. Oh. She don't even dare this kind of duress. Wait, then here I see why now. Agbona maizi baba.
Tuna go tuna. Ikunirie. Eba moto imana do rescue me na. Imana. Only the rescue me. Even driver si woman. Umu moto. I can sort we me we go ne. Here what the photo. Here me we go ne the photo. Yeah, you don't move where I was okay. Where Kawama, look at Sigoni and the friend leave the money. If you don't come for the show, you say me give your money. You not go see and make it. See the two men that they do me, oh. See the two men driver do me, oh. The two men driver do me today. After Mona, let me share this video. Mona, help me share this video. Imote I want mutiri bossa don't carry this money. Fake the one where I carry. That this money content me say motor not good. The show where I put for almost 3 months. And I the time me say the motor not good today. I carry that one they come for the square for slow code for testament shop.
Okay. Then they go marriage back. You. Back. I
don't say Mona dash me. I want back.
Lord, then.
Maybe this guy will go see cheap for me.
After back no work again. Then they carry another back. On their way back from marriage, they back. Really? Okay, then they go marriage. Okay, the back lost key. They no see the key.
You go drop the other one before you call it your turn.
That bike
Maybe
no work
12
again.
o'clock.
Now they carry
Mortuary show,
another
12
bike.
o'clock.
And you are away coming back from the
If
marriage.
they don't come,
Yeah.
you go call like, go say, what go drop this
Saloboa.
one first, till they come.
Is that supposed to be a celebration now, or people call they cry? I really felt for her.
Let me share this video. Anybody when no say na Europe, therefore they see whether na them they see this kind of person, I don't know. I go suffer the base most more beg. I go suffer the pay.
Wow, you all my people, my mother.
Wow.
Wow.
Suffer the pay. That one go see cheap pass. Because I don't feel just see money where I just can't come out for a step pay and worse. I still get another expenses. More than the same, I'm not going to carry for dance. It's not quick come. Hey, we are immortal. Hey, problem.
If you are going to go out for straight on, man.
On this show, we are supposed to by 9 o'clock. See, and now the ladies instrument.
Yeah, for straight to work for. Any disappointment is a blessing. Yes, so my lady, also here. You track by your man. Because, hey, nobody know how many years we God give away go tell you.
Okay, ma, yeah,
Make a daughter die for her. Enough of them begging. No, my lady, she not beg. No, she not beg. She just ask. Anybody will get. From my beg. Even though she even beg. This kind of person, you feel help her. You understand? This kind of person, me, I feel help her. If I get, I feel support her. Now they get me because why? She's a very hard-working lady. You know, see her? At her age, oh, you make me cool, oh, you cool, we are away to with me, or dress even, or you're dressing in our veer. I'm a driver. All this one not be a why you will live for us. If we not help, they will go help. Now this type of people now we go if person won't even help. It be no mass and help. Man, he young. No, yes, you understand? I really felt bad because it can be my mom. If it be my mama just now. If it be my mama senior sister, if it be elderly person. So you must feel am. Even mama, you were the talk, so mama sit down on top. You let me know. When I donate it, but what can you go your somebody just call you, they sorted the movie. Say, why is this why? Though it's sad. Yeah.
You know that one way say
yes, my lady.
To say you don't know it will happen that time.
Wait till happen when you call, I beg go. Now another matter with the talk here. I beg. I am one more than this before I will add my own 10 cents. Let me see. I really feel for her. Nigeria, my easy. Nigeria. Everything and disappointment. Water to drink na disappointment. Mosquito na disappointment. NEPA light na disappointment. Even food where you go cook, chop, as who come for na disappointment. Any yamasian or yemame. That's why you see many people. If they go Nigeria, come back na kpai they kpai. Now only who chop belle food. Now go use complete body go Nigeria. You see use that complete body come back. So I rescue Nyamure. Ado anigo. Ado anigo na ya dada kodori. I just tired. Yes, now. Anybody go Nigeria now these days, just look. Majority of them know they use complete body come back. My name is, I won't feel bad right now. Yes, now. The man no so no we warning. And I don't feel just no. Nobody to trust. Nobody to like. If you don't book appointment, you don't book appointment.
So you that today now, the person will come, not say person will come to talk to you anyhow. That has to be now.
When I offer watch and first, my people. A driver needs a fee. I have a saga on it. I why you be spirit done. I have something I
I go try. Even though
I don't say one in my doria.
to find me a pay.
Majo. On my way to and where he don't advance so or you struggle or you cool. Just to get small thing. A driver again on my way. They carry 3 dance at once. Obawa way.
I download that finish. Okay. Where did you say what was he?
Let me take it back.
So the more you think for una do how una dey make una see the thing where people they do person oh. See now this one make her the 3rd motor where I don't carry this morning. Where I get show today. This one make her the 3rd motor where I don't carry this morning. The driver where they carry me go dance. He not tell me say motor not good.
You see, huh?
Now this morning, around 10, now he come they tell me say the motor not good.
Imagine.
As he come tell me say motor not good now, I come run, come go find another motor. Before I come see another motor, time don't they go. The second motor where I see now, he said don't quick and carry person. Say one go drop person for dance, make on carry me. I come waste. As the motor they come for road now, the motor cost is spoil. It cost is spoil for road. Now for the
Guys, please thumbs up the video, okay? Mona share them. May go reach that driver hand.
I can't see motor when they carry me go dance where they
mad no touch grass
to
today.
reach by 10 o'clock. Tomorrow now, this is I go another dance. I not go another dance, so now they see motor.
You see him?
And now they see motor. And never reach dance by this side. Never reach dance where they go. If you carry a ball, say me that.
My people, may you tell no say. You see that why those states when Ewane sumuri ya owi bunsewa. That why those states so. People when wish they eat for their belly, not many parts of them. Because if not, waiting go make driver where know say he already get appointments. You don't already book appointment with somebody. And you know say this person go this dance. You know as musician work be. If musician not come party, many say they not do party. Okay. All this while, 2 weeks to party or 3 weeks to 1 week to, you not even tell carry you for dance, say your motor spoil. You know if you come or you not go like to go. Du una wa unwa gbigbi oni driver na gbigbo e. Nuri oko. You know say you know fi carry person go dance. Una mi ego. Ego ni a double ayasa because now another dance now you go. Your motor no spoil any spoil. Now another dance now you go. You not even feel for the lady say this lady don't advance so. Say she no need anything stress. After everything where this lady don't pass through for this Facebook, even for that Edo State self. Person wey be say as son wey don grow finish na phone they tell on that they say as son kpai. This lady cry. Oviere she never recover for all those loss and all those things. When a driver whatever they gbe do see balove yo egbe. Why people no fit all get rest of mind for that Edo State safe? Why? Why people no fit sleep close to eye for there? No be say they no pay you. They pay you. Even Europe here, if you get appointments, or Igbo self now they go remind you with app. Say, so time that they see 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, make sure say you did that office, you get appointments. Before you go reach there now, they don't they wait for you. Nothing like say, NEPA take light or this one. They don't they wait for you. Thanks for joining my lady love. Sayoma, but thanks for joining my mommy yo. Nigeria, why we know they help ourselves? You almost make me laugh. Mama, this is not what they laugh, puto. Why we no feel consider for each other? If you come abroad like this, Oibo go pack clothes for you. Shoes, bags, though they call you the dash you. But you see our Nigeria and those states where we focus. My day, that is, we no like ourselves. We no care what anybody they pass through. Only our own. Why are we like that? A driver ni aga we abo ni wata we imoto ni nufini. No rule laze. Kuwe ki moto ni nuwa laze once and for all. Cause amani de gboma wewe vetan. Amani de gboma wewe doni. What is all this now? You see a darling woman like this will not be liability. We see the struggle, they manage to survive. Well, when we're already a fool, you're a motor rabia, you won't want. You won't make she fall sick. Abi? You won't give her blood pressure so that don't make cannot the total or motor. Tomorrow now people will come say, what you go, all this one, and I'm saying no, you're not traumatized. Adi kunorieni niya, ebone niya itiene vena. Inyagi jerege, or advance ne. All this cry when she dey cry, now she not even they cry, say because of say, motor spoil, motor not spoil. The insult where they go give her for dear. You know as people they do. Not be everybody if you understand. Some people say she go another dance. Ou vie red dress ni, ou mwegbe ni, ou vie you move your nyane. You don't dress her dressing where she take they do her dance. Well, okay, you will be that driver. You know, say you no go figure. You supposed to call her yesterday night or yesterday morning. Mama, my moto me photo. Ya gwalo mawe no or try no gwalo mawe. Do mami gume. Let's no way forward. Umata. O mari kuwe level. We not have my vetin where imoto where ya. Who that is who on what punish eh? Tu onu punish eh? Whereas moto we Maria, when I'm with passenger na recover. Edio maya behave. Why can't you people support each other? We free. They are paying for your service. I very go no. I went to car collect go before diku. At the end, do not do disappointed boy. Now because she not be person where they do saga because she get big platform. How can a person wey get big platform like this, who ya lele dweki na ogbekie imote tuke ni nufini ogbekie yowobo? That is why now they talk say we will the Europe, we not get patient. We not get patient because Oibo already teach us to know say yes is yes, no is no, red is red, blue is blue. No be say you go see white, you go say na green. Oibo already teach us here. So if we they see all those kind of things they go on for Nigeria, it they pain us. My sense be away. Una say we the craze, we know the craze. So go say we don't the mad, we know the mad. Because waiting the kind pure life where we they live here. If person leave phone for outside, you go sleep, come back. Who you buy phone wherever nobody go take him. Nobody go touch him. But Nigeria, can you do that? No. And if we see say those kind of things they go on yama for Nigeria, we go they provoke. They thing go they vex us. And people more listen for that jare.
Seven the coconut you go dance. They'll fair go carry that dance. Carry Mexico dance. You go they wait. They'll fair carry Mexico dance. They don't go talk to the guy.
Yes, my lady.
They don't go talk to the guy another dance. They'll fair carry another dance. Go.
Imagine.
Before they go carry you.
Imagine.
When you go close for that dance, you go first you go carry me sometimes some boss they carry to the show for show. Before they go carry you, maybe midnight. Sometimes your instrument go sleep for where you dance. I beg. Anybody where don't say get this kind of boss. I go suffer they pay. If they don't to suffer me. Now this kind of boss now they fight. See ya. I'll suffer they pay. If I don't feel pay, I want to.
So my amazing people, I beg anybody where you know say you get who they say this kind boss, or where you get this kind motto, either to give out. Some people they dash. She feel your pay only the shipping money. That is money where you take her and go give her. Okay? Please reach out to Mama OKH. She need our help. She also need our support. She not ask for money. She not ask for money. She only cry out waiting they bother her for mind. And all of us know say, if not be say wanting, as she be so she not supposed to they go find money again. Owa heke, owa rowa, she'll just they enjoy. I understand, say fine. She's not be say she be person way hungry, see they beat one. Maybe being Tony. Now they get me. Because she have built brand for herself. She has also built name for herself. You get, but all this stress, adoyaku, how much they even they pay for that dance? If only we pay baby dancing. I don't say that they pay better money. I also say that they carry them for those dance with better because even all those women where they shaking and anywhere shake on this and shake. I also say that they pay all those one reach 500K because I don't see why a woman go just grow like that. Tarapago they shaking and for desiku at the end they not go pay you reach like 500. Guy B. How many years now you confiscate shake to take buy land builders? You understand? So my amazing people, anybody where you know say that boss just now where she show. Even if say you know where they sell her for Supply Road, you get her for Germany, you know where she go fit get her, please reach out to her or reach out to me. Okay, reach out to her or reach out to me. I feel pass the message to her. Now they get me, my people. I feel pass the message to her. May we still see what we will do. Not be say raising of money, no. Though me, if we see boss, I will know what I will do personally on my own. That one not be waiting concern media. Now they get me because all this kind of person need to the support. And I not say me now be woman. Anything woman, I don't want they use that I see say woman they cry. The thing they get the way they do me for body. You understand? I no wan use eye see any woman, talk less of elderly woman. He was supposed to do day parlor, relax, they watch film, Sophie cross leg for table. What happened to you? Eh? A driver there, or don't worry. I just want my top put small my people because the way I tell the verse of that driver. Me as one more bogbe driver ni bana people come be like, hey Queenie, one more equal. One the driver. That's how they manage the talk small because that disappointment. So I know say fine. Sometimes every disappointment is a blessing, but sometimes some drivers are so careless. They are so careless. Even all those taxi, you go enter their motor, they drink all this action bitter. He says so. In for we see kind as you just see the so. In for we see kind bitter cola not the finish of their mat. In like one morning they will draw the mash motor they go. That day is I don't know, Sha. I don't know. People for Nigeria now they really they try. I don't say yes, that my country. Those states na my state. People see they even as me they talk and some people feel they vex say wait till they worry Queenie then why you call they talk like because they think there are some things where be say I know say I first experience those things before I come up for Nigeria. But as I come be now, not sure I'll feel experience, I'll feel take all those things because application feel yok by me. Application feel yok by me. All those drivers, Akinya ya ogien. I took driver, Akinya gien. They will they sweat. The young is telling you they see them. Ha saloboa. People. When I watch the video, Jare, the thing pay me.
Very cool.
Imagine. The driver need not go better for you. Mom. Say, God bless you, my sister. Thank you. My lady Mose. Mona, listen. A driver ni. Lare. Tuke driver ni. It no go better for you. When it ama wena. It no go better for you. Mama okay she omari go nu no ya muwe. She no pay you for your service. What's your numana ya mu driver? Woman chance what's the numana ga my woman chance like 2-3 days to the disappointment boy woni meta mu we ke na pa a disappointment to hanga me. Do you want me to tell you that? Oh go pa no ragbon re mi unu drivers so oje ya egba we tuke drivers na eso amwe ma yiku gba mama mu iswiku ni yan sinya ayuwiku but my e be like say una no know say what's my problem brother I be brother again now. Una they get me so. So some of those drivers they will carry people go dance. You pay them all the beer where they will give that equipment where they carry go dance. They will start to they provoke. So go drink finish, they go high, they go leave una for dance. Equipment you they will drive motor go. Where you got call a driver or they guest us. Or registers on serious people. On serious people. Wa mieso nya wa short ekunya ye fiakbu. Ni ya we guda. Ekunya ye fiakbu. How can you do this kind of a thing to a advanced lady like this? Over Vienna. She don't dress even before she go down. She don't already they sweat. They cry. Okay, as she go come sing now. Or if she kubana with the bed over here by. that driver, you know, will better for your head. Pray, make she not saga you. Ido mwe pisho we ye ya mwe bog boy. Disappointment yi boy wagbon. Disappointment yi boy. Ole una one person go carry three dance. Ga uwa boy. Eh? One person go carry three dance. How you want to load the instruments? Umu yobona. According to her, son say she say son go even carry you reach dance finish. Whether is obori kuatie or egbe kai, don't go carry people. You don't go carry people, con has people where carry go, don't they carry the cons. Before you go con drop all those on, before you go con say one con carry when you need better here when we have the very terrible set of people. Very there is here a one single human feelings. In no day again. Go see that video, trendy video of a native daughter where they bring come out for Igbo land. That native daughter, go see people where that native daughter buy for buildings, big houses. He go buy them put for inside grant finish. He can't seal them like soccer way. He just doing like soccer way. You no go know. Say see wetin they sub for there. Pregnant woman, small baby, big person. Why would they always use women as una victim? Well, I wish all this men they carry men like they take they do that money where they do so. They think I don't go even send. But why women? Why must women be victim for everything? Why? Why? May God help me one day. May I get power. Eh? May I get power to rule any position, especially for Nigeria. Especially for Nigeria. Now go see what I go do for them. Now woman go they talk what you go they happen. If you slap your wife, they go arrest you. Go I go 14 days in the cell. They know if they describe and Lord one go put in. May God bless person. A person gets some kind of power. If you get some kind of power, eh? You see all those men, so when they use women, they do their victim. They will learn new thing. That is why they will say Europe, now woman get upper hand. What did you expect? Wait till you be the expert. Make man they use blow, pound woman, do this one. Some self they go vook by. Eh? Now that one you be the expert. Character where so many men they exhibit for that Nigeria, you cannot try it here. You no go fit do one for abroad here. Not be say because of say woman can't there abroad. You don't lose your sense of reasoning. You not get respect. No, woman, they get respect. For here, a lot of women get respect. If you see man, where go leave woman, go Nigeria, go they talk rubbish. People like that will see for so. That will see for so. Now once you tell no say that one head no correct. That one sign of a useless man, I that will see for be. If they hear me, make it hear me. He's a useless man. I know how I talk. Osifo is a useless man. Man wait there abroad for years. Work, you not work. Woman, they feed you with children benefits. Children will be say not be your body. You they shop, they dress, you know they satisfied. Okpolo. She be the house where they dey for Nigeria now, na rent. Now they pay the bills. If they dey Nigeria, they would spend. Woman, where you be they take care of, why you no go kneel down greet you? She must kneel down greet you. She go cook 10 times for you. Because even you bonoje. But you cannot do that with woman where be saying now she they pay all the bills. You know say before money they enter us, they run race. You know say get race so you go here, go sign, go disappointment, go this one. Before money go come. Now so see for talk that day. Women in Europe. It take God. I just look and say, shut up your matty. You shut up for the air. Lazy man. You not tell people, your colleague, where you go meet for Nigeria, where you go to tell, say, Nigeria women. You not tell them what you do for Europe. Say you day inside for years, you not work. You feel camp woman for house for Europe when she not go to work. You feel poor woman for house for 7 years. The woman not go the woman not go to work. You agree me drink water, keep up. Look many house for Europe. Look many relationship. Now the two people they pay money. Now 50-50 that they do. If one person they pay, then you know say now only the woman they pay. The man not they work. Except say those where government see give us. The ones where government see give us say, woman yet say this one could they pursue this one inside the house. This one could they pursue this one inside the house. Every time women women they do victim. After everything where Europe women they do for some men, some ungrateful men for this Europe. Once you leave them like this, they will start to tarnish your name. Now Ashawo ibio, now this one ibio, he knows a big kuko, he knows a bit do this one, he knows a bit, and all those things from A to Z, they are all lies. Men where they tarnish women pass for this Europe, go and look at their background, they know they work. They know they work. But once you carry camera face, their mouth go long. Nothing where they know they fit talk. Once it comes to woman, they believe say women be their papa and mama. Now woman supposed to they take care of them, feed them, clothe them, dress them, bath them, do everything. If you not call the doing like that, you go say you not get character. If you get one case now where you dey my table now, where make me your see enter this or me they talk so now. This woman so she and her boyfriend they don't date together for years. When I mean years, the boy not they work. The boy not they work. He don't fair go stay with baby mama for France any way. He don't stay with baby mama for Germany and way. Before this his girlfriend finally accepts her again. May come back for Italy, come they stay with this girl. As they date together, come, you where you they right, so. You say you from Senegalese, you know the year with here they talk, you know go come on for you. You know, you don't go exit the back door. Aboni mogun ya send the wealth. So, the girl can't keep the boy for house. The girl they work, she they work for bar. All this cafe bar, now she they work. She have been using it to pay the bills, take care of this guy, sponsor the boy family, support them. You understand? This boy not get paper, he not get front, he not get back. Now this girl work. She can't take lawyer for the boy, fight everything. This boy can't get documents. Can you imagine? Say, this boy get documents finish now. Instead of now to contact that girl, now say, okay, make him go look for work. So that he go see assist this girl where don't they carry responsibility for years. He want talk. He say in they go Nigeria. Where the girl can't give her money. They go Nigeria. Then the girl can tell and say, you won't go Nigeria. You never work. You not get money. You not get anything for Nigeria. Wait till you won't go do. He don't take away leave your family. You want to go see mama. But you know they work. You don't get any service. Okay, you don't get document. Or you work summer work. May you take go for where? Yeah, the money where they get they save for us. Money where they get they save. Yeah, they. Or ya bezu or ya bezu ene. Or my kono kodo. Or you got dog back, but if you go France or go somewhere. Now the get la say no fit. You know if you sponsor your trip to Nigeria or CSO As we speak, the boy carry it back. He go dey live with a friend. He go dey live with a friend. The girl call me, she come dey cry. Say, I beg, may I call the boy? May I just talk to the boy? May I beg him? May the boy come house? Because if something happen to her, if family go call the panic, they feel say na she. And I say, may I call her, ma, the beggar for your sake. Leave her, may they go. Or may I beg back, he go come back to house. Leave her, may they go. If to say you did bad to her, I no go stay with you for almost 7 years. 7 good years. You man winner. Una mi ko no mu where you wa. Na only she go work. Na only she for kitchen. Na only she or Sunday like this she go dey kitchen cook all of the fridge, you know. No me aye during the week where she go dey work. You have the nerves to say the which man fit do one for woman. Which man fit do one for woman? For this Europe, man will just count money, give you say, he go put you for her 7 years. You know they work. He go they feed you, they clothe you, they take care of your family. He will constantly count money, give you, say go house, go Nigeria, go greet your family. I know say some men, they few men, now few men fit do one before man go they do those things for you. Maybe he gets how una take day. You see, majority of these Euro boys, they go say, that word vex me. Like, I tell me, boy, we go tell that I'll tell say, go Nigeria now. Who are you mean not go Nigeria? Go Nigeria, go marry now. Not today. Why you let person the year one? Because the character one they get here. Some Europe male, mona no vessel, no be all. I know so many people know like this thing when me they talk so. Son Europe me a character so no wa vio here wa wash muna go wash una character no go die so na see some of una at the age of 60 years he still dey single. Any serious woman will but he get many girlfriend wey do he get many s. You hear say I don't friend this one, I don't friend this one, I don't friend no one born for her, no one dey with her for us. Why? Because of his dirty character. No be all man no say good if man wake up they break may go work. No be all man no. Some may they break. They'll say they'll even tell you say they don't want work. If you will force and go work 1 week, you go say your gap or sure. Cause when you want eggia divaja. So men, Europe men, some women way just see they do pa we no let man rest while we bang. Na vava sa okay. Now, Vava but may complain when I they get is becoming too much. May complain when I they get is becoming too much. All many may for this Europe, none of them are single father. It take only God grace now to see single guy we never fair born, we never fair marry. Majority of them are single father. You go ask and say, what happened to your wife? She can't go France. And she can't carry my baby go France. I call the caller and not call they pick my call. Now you say me she move ahead. Now yours boy, your just look like. You not call they pick your call. Why we yak a baby mama? My people, please work on your character. And Mona they work on herself. Work on herself. Now go Nigeria, now go they take care of women there. The one will get here. Ordinary woman go do well, no go know. Say woman go fix nails. Woman go look cute. Why? Una no go know whether woman go dress here. Una no go know. Una no go know whether woman go eat 3 times a day. Una no go know. But once that woman start to they misbehave, they go outside. Una will begin they spoil her name. They call her different things. You know, they hear what you don't get character. Woman where they want to take their character. And I go bless some men. I just see some men. They take care of their wife. Saturday like this, they'll carry and go salon. Go and make your hair. Fix your nails. The money no see today. The small way day. The man go see sort things out. You understand me? The man go see sort things out. He go make sure say yes, that woman, he already make that woman dey attractive. No be I wait no pa, I want no. Some men don't know as their wife they do her. They don't know as their wife they don't even like. Mona they repent oh. Mona they repent now because of say now olden days women now na marry. Now olden days Ali who need there now na marry. Nobody go follow now they do all those things. Nobody. You see say they go break. Man, go see that boy now we beat his wife for TikTok. That one boy, one see for Yorekia platform. When the boy they beat the woman for platform. Why they beat the woman? Because of 5 €. My people. Why the woman we don't born for you? Why you they beat her? Because of 5 €. Woman where you don't deal with for us almost 4 or 5 years. The woman they chest all bills. Because of 5 €. And the woman say you no even ask. She fed they give, you no ask. Honor ye care where ya be to say be that woman. I swear to God, I for mess you up. I go mess you up to the extent where be say, okay, ya finya wu we life you way. What I do you ya zere here. You no go feel forget. You go even sleep. You go drink. See what I do. Who hire? You go punch woman blow and because of 5 €. 5 €. No, they still love you.
If you don't come for the show, you'll say me give your money. You not go see him again. See the thing when they do me, oh. See the thing when driver do me, oh. The thing when driver do me today. After Mona, help me share this video. 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 Timothy, I want Mutiri, but I don't carry this money. Fake the one where I carry. Like this money, can't tell me say motor not good. The show where I put for almost 3 months. And I tell me say the motor not good today. I can't on that one. That one they come for the square for slow code for testament shop. Now the third one, now come on go the Francis. Yeah. Imagine. Help me, oh. I don't say man dash me, I want buy. Maybe this guy will go too cheap for me. I go they pay small. Go they pay suffer too much. It don't reach 5 times when my instrument don't sleep for town. It go sleep for where I go play. Because driver go carry this one. Go carry this one. Only one force. You go carry 2 TV show. TV. You go drop this one today. You go drop the other one before you call this your turn. Maybe 12 o'clock. Mortuary show, 12 o'clock. If it did not close, you go call and go say one go drop this one first, they come. You go someone go drop this one first, they come. You go say, oh gosh,
she's where my lady.
I bet Mona help me share this video. Anybody where no say na Europe. Therefore they see whether na James then they see this kind of boss I don't know. I go suffer the pay small beg. I go suffer the pay. I not say no na dash me. Me I suffer the pay. That one go see cheap pass. Because I don't feel just see money where I don't can't come out for a step pay and once. I still get other expenses. Put down top of chair. more than the same. I'm not going to say they carry for dance. It's not quick come. Hey, we are in moto. Or a problem. Mortuary show. We are supposed to by 9 o'clock. See? And now the ladies instrument. See?
You see? Nah, yeah.
When you are worried, I don't win up for a cafe. Or what did we game, mama? That was a
pay me.
Iya loading eh. Iya loading eh. E wa se ba ne. Okay. Okay, ma, ya repa. Oja. Eminene oja. Oja. Beg him no logo. Me no set the instrument. The instrument he got there. Ya the motor bet. Ya fe kwa hasa wa mie wa mume ya fe kwa hasa. Fe kwa hai. Oja. Emile ya umebe na oja na ki. Oja.
My people. A life na Aleru na humi. Yes, in all you do in this life. Aleru we baba. Egume humi. Egume wuwu dodi. So queen on normal ne okona e pass through. You understand me? And when I tell one of the women who they pass through and we doing, okona is one of them. If we okona home my people, nobody be able to say she will survive. When she's sick, all of us, Abuna don't forget. When she's sick, Oga wrote for years. Almighty Akpagbe, Almighty Aknya. Igo no kona zeye miami. Abiye ze ele. I know some people now go call the talk say, see how she be. Almighty meet up. Almighty one on her. Almighty we not ba. Almighty one on her. Ohona. A sofa no a sofa. This lady so nine born were good. Wait they UK. When we were good with our friends matter up that time. Una no here say okay Nigeria they go give you UK. Ya ri right. You don't want to know ni viaje. Okay in Nigeria they right give you UK. Egbo kona mena bere egbe nveri onisun. Ovie no kpia. Blase na Italy did that time. Boy we be say don't grow finish. Adults agree ba. Suddenly. We all hear say the boy don't go like that. Handsome boy, fine boy. We hear say the boy just all those things happen. The iya was nyagbe. Iye that's one azo weboto where that pikin go. They gbeve no ma fear what to do or you be buckle up or push up or try to she no let all those things weigh her down. E bon very na keke na ye ya mu pastre a trauma very na if not because of say a mess of Nigeria ni o hinya iye Canadian. If I happens to get close to this woman and I know everything where she don't pass through, anything no ya de vie equal no sunu die. I not go even want to make she dey anywhere dull moments. Because I have vena and I go make her come dey remember things. Even no kona zeye miami. Omaya disturb social media. Omaya already disturb social media, but people just see if people support her and fans. Omaladian don't never. Now when people talk say they know they see her again. They know they see her again. Eyate movie. And she can't manage. Not be even her children. I come video her. Oma seti agwan, oma seti ahian. If person tell me say this lady go fit stand for her feet, they go dance. Oh ye vi agbe wo no. But God rescue her. Now they get me. God rescue her. So egbe mani pass through in a bune na all those anything stress. Oma heke no kona iti ao yo. De mi ame unigo veneni moto. Oma no be yoboka mwigo nona. Uno no case. Oma no be ka yobo mwigo no. Outside the movie industry. Oma no be ka bo yobo mwigo no. But mi ame igo na yakbe mi ame my people. Eh we osa lo ba oze. You see? Over there that why we stand on our feet now. Oh my say 6 months so a driver ni mwechesi. Iya frustrate over here. Iya o no dua o yo. O isikubania. Egbo e mani mu ewiku eni kawa agbe bonye. Egbo e balance I can't kwedi ni wogena. Egbo e free dance ye hen we kusef. We delay. Sabwa no toshe e medema e mani bonve Nigeria ni. Sabwa no toshe medema ni bon. Awa ekere aya so we government. Imi mana orion my soul to see. Osie. Thank you, my lady, Mama Sayama. Thank you. Oviere asu. I una want na me a daughter fee. Ovie no go ga me video now. There kwani wa be dia woga na. Don't even the obi aso because he just so obi aso. What is this what they write?
You go understand now. Before you go understand, you go fake.
Speak English.
Before the person understand, you go fake. Say, na matana na if they come.
Are you a learner?
You know that one way say that you can. If to say you don't know it will happen that time now. For everything just go smooth. Everything get as it be now.
She was talking to her commenter, say Piki dey UK. Why Piki not buy for her? Now somebody they tell her now say Piki dey UK. Why Piki not buy motor for her? Now she they let that they know now say if not be condition where it happen. You know. Where na ke Nigeria they go where the UK. One no railway but why go be and one marry When they look my one they marry. Man go they do fine boy till they marry for that UK. Now I know. Disgrace you why ti we mi ropa ni ju why ti ko kije why ti we mi ropa. O de we bo ma be gba sha wo we maro bia no be zeye. Man don start do what tell Awa di je fu se. Awa di je fu se. Wa de le human hair muju. Ke wa mwerie ma and you might have go with talk of only what they were bodo. Only what they were bodo. Am I why dead to am I why dead but make sure we each way is okay first. Make sure we way they okay. Yeah.
I just they tick. When the way they make me they tick, say so you that so then now the person who come they no say person who come to talk to you anyhow. That has to be now.
I really feel for her, my people. I really
If I
feel
didn't
for
see
her.
this kind of fault, I go try. Even though I was off pay her. So far I pay.
My people. Agwali yobo. I'm yobo. May I play this boy music? May I play that my G music for now? Which one I put network? Just not on this one. Agwali yobo. I'm Saloba na even do bless social media na runda. If you don't remember, they're not the, you know, we were with this abroad. We don't want to see all these things. To be your bottle, my bet, my women, any go, but if you see all these things, even though any of your but echo area, because since when me take on Europe now, I never see a boy where they cry, apart from film. Apart from when I go they watch film sometimes, and me now, the one where they do me. If I they watch film, if they all they cry like this. Me so I'll just they cry like mumu. When my friend come with me one day say, what do I say, no, this girl not do anything, the arrest me not a was the way my man got taste soft, if I see person they cry, I know they get myself. You know that you can't see the woman. I know they get myself. I know they get myself at all. I know you like her. But it's just that money not there to stop many things. You understand? They need to say me get money the way I want. What it be that this thing where I know feedback for her. Yeah, what the boss in there. I hope her for as gift. Not be say to do it. He say, sis queen. Now last week I buy both straight hair. Last week, after 10 years in Europe, my mom can never come online to ask for help like this. Truth be told. Thank you, Mama Love. Thank you. Thank you, my love. You see, you see that they will go they do competition with themselves. But why you competition, Yahoo? Why Yahoo now? I want more you my hair. I will not they not say person no they look nice. Most of those hair won't buy. Why more ladian, why more power ware? I beg you, make a list. No. Oh my ladian. Make I see. Now be this. I play this music for now. When you are daily, you my hair. Why see you why you stress? Why you when? And now the first my way I dey buy with my money be this. So I celebrate again yo. I celebrate my lady. Yeah, pay you fool, man. You I'm your man about the you. Ew. Yes, so. Yes, so. Yeah. Mama love, I celebrated Tony. I celebrated when baby ya. I watch it Tony. Yeah. Yes, so now people, Mona listen to this song. Mona listen to this song. Mona reason make una feel am. You understand? If you not see a deli you ma hegbe, a deli batagbe, a delukmogbe runda, egenuaya ni di yobo, umie no nwe. You understand? Or see a veni meje, tive me gbeo. Te me biye me wa ve de rich o but, ije me wa me gbe. Thanks for joining my lady, if you know, ije me wa me gbe. Besides, me over your modion, cause a family man me wa can understand where your modion. Ototo me na wa ya ze, almost like a last born me hin. Aye, agagi me here. Awaye gagi me here. Ime yebe mi ave brosi. Wagwale video me wa me gbe me obode gbe. Iyo modio. Una dey get me. But when it comes to my mom, no go there. Iji me, ima drag. E Olandi si me don hanjo. No pa wa ogo mo hanjo. Na so we dey awa koke. E get where she will stop gbo. Gbo yoko wa ninu wa gbe ni. Edeke gbe ula e yoko wa ne iyewo. Ori wi yoko wa iyewo. Ori wi yoko wa. Now once you just stop all those things. If you go this all this a being, I been not be a being that they call her Saint Leaf. Akpoko, all those pepper where they plant around that all those things. She stop everything. No cause they stress herself. A business yana, a basket business yana via affiliate yako. Kwazeta me de banki me kowe ana vie basket yana ya affiliate ya yuwa. Teve not yana we wa de gbe pa iwana re. Wa de gbe pa iwana re. Awe wa de o. Ayi ju wa de we back ibodo. Wa de gbe pa iwana re. Dede yachi. He said no be say the money not dey but too expensive. I have to avoid it. Yes, now like this. Now it's my turn to shine. You see, I'm my lady. You are welcome. Thank you, my lady, if you know. You understand? Now, so mama tell the ime time you gwalo sevi dun wagba astro wagba zio. This most active bogan we kodi we tebu wa koya flex. Ebu ado amu magolo de manwa ye de go koko. De manwa de ma dai sagbona na wajena. Let everybody go and fight for itself. Now what they do for our family. Everybody go stand for you. Must stand. Mudia, anywhere you want to stand your stand like that. Now you know, I tell result you the year for where anywhere you stand. Can you really stand here? We are gonna result here. Now listen to better music. This is the reason why I don't beg. He beg. You fool, you Thank you, Mama, for the star. Thank you. Join me celebrate my birthday. Not be so much, yo. I got even chop star inside. Oh, birthday to me. Why am me get testing? Testing. Am me very important. Thank you, my lady. You know. Thank you. This is the reason why I feel boa. Expenses can fall at any time. We are not doing Wakole mama okay show walao. Walao. For where? Yes, so yeah.
MC Papilo, yeah, easy. Oh no, yeah, Nina, you're a rock back way. We do make you.
So Lani wet where MC Papilo, and Lani you dey greet. So Iwana, I call one egg with my people. Iwana. Now, so the time when this bros knew they sing like this, I they like the music, I they dance put. As in, they be won't turn the boy to my enemy self. They be won't turn her to my enemy. Mami niya mata by people. Keni mao, yena ya talo man. Una they get me na person wey be say I just like the music. People why they play their music. We be say if I really like ya feel it but one not be for social media I would know. Maybe like word now, maybe if I want use word, if I need word to take feel it. Three people now they play their music. These three people so I know play their music finish near me. Number one, Stalio, Iona one, that one. No, I know say that one a parable man. Omo Ege Guasa. That one, na number two. Plus this Papilo. You see these three people. If I they play I don't use this one to talk, say the rest people where they sing, they not sabi single. Everybody, everybody gets their own style and swag of singing. But if I they play these three people music, you will be like, see, I'm not talking about all those epa, we fair deal. No, so those ones na epa. But for this their set, so for this their age group, so now these three people now they play their music. Well, also yes, I they play music. Now they play. Ya we papile so. Iye ko ya wan egbe me nu da yan we abo mo ne mera meje abo mo no mera meje ude ne me avio eye o. You understand? Na music now something they play. Yes, hello, man. Yes, so you fool me, you are man, Kira hana na mekia o. Guys, make I play another one for a song for my people. Si Papillo
Capelli pesanti dopo il balsamo? Ora non più con la nuova generazione di balsami Pantene con formula Pro Via ad assorbimento rapido, ripara senza appesantire. Così leggero che puoi usarlo anche senza risciacquo. Addio effetto unto e capelli piatti. Sì, capelli sani.
My people, in social media, everybody just dey somehow.
Aspetti a provarlo.
No, man never played this one at this point in time. Nagiga mau Mario. The music not get copyright for people. Mama, you laugh. Mario Obonia. I've been watching now. Oh, Mama, take pay by this time again. And then you take one of all. See, I'm bound to many days to pay. Like Mama, and then I say, this one I don't already they play. Now I play for my people. Mama, I love you very dear. It's social media work catch me. I will call it the mayor, make any idea. Any I pass him by my mind. Yeah, where I was there. Yeah, my children. Tomorrow, na person go say na me the problem. Yeah. Back with that, medicine never na go. You see? Ishaki o eri go gbogbo ti go e me ya di zena. Meti eri efo. Bo mani we na. No me ya lo e. No ye me no e. Ye bo mani. It is there me o. Yeah, say that don't go somewhere, leave me here. Man, understand me now. We not buy money, we not, you know, you're not big here, oh. Yeah, buy money, way. Oh, yeah, and people say that don't live for senior Sima, they will suffer the I manage to do my hair till they come back. My cook and yama. Who the work on leave us for? I understand this people. They may get ya nobody. Why are we ready up? Yama you. It's so bad, I'm out there. Yama so now. Yeah, Imarere o papilo, wala mudiagara yeah, thank you, my lady. Wagwa tire. Come give me update. Social media was silent. Now so wanted to do it. Matter fam. Vacation by Senya. Rudy, you know. No more anyway. When I bomb anyway, now you know you're not big here. Yeah, bomb anyway. Not big here. Oh, you better do it.
say na me, you know you don't know it well.
Sometimes, guys, sometimes, do you know that music is powerful? Do you know that music is powerful? Some people feel say music now just music. No, music gets spiritual tune where they follow. Yes, music is spiritual. Not before who just drink and can't go studio, go sing musical. No. But if you see people where you experience something and they later use that to sing, that music, it is spiritual. If other people, they play that music, you will sing yourself, the process where you pass through, that is the thing where you pass through for that music, that is where it make you sing that music. If other people, they play out, they go dice, it go be like, say, even the ones where the things not happen to, you understand? Even the ones where the things not happen to, but they will feel and say, yes, this thing where this guy they talk so, now something where they really they happen. Now they get me so, my people. Agbona emission wagbona This life so is deep. This life of just so is deep. Why echo, my people? Why echo? Be careful of people around you. Be careful of how you do your things. Be careful. My lady says exactly, you are right. Thank you, Mama. Be careful of people where you they leave your room for. They go out. Be careful of people where you trust, they tell your life story. That is one thing I like about myself. The last time I discussed my personal life with person, that should be, let me say, that should be 10 years ago. The last time I discussed my personal life, like I will carry you sit down, tell you about my relationship, about my next move, about my way forward, about my service, about my 10 years ago. Now I don't stop all those things. These days, that it don't master me. I learn now, Sha. I learn now during those times when I still day market, the Zozo, you know, I they see things now. I'm not be picky with grow inside corner. I grow for center of Benin. You understand? So I they see things. Not be today. Now they get me. I don't see betrayal. I don't see fake friends. I don't see Linus Suba friends. I don't see Tiffy friends. I don't see a lot of things. That is why if you see me these days, ordinary things, no, they move me again. If there are some things where go just go on, I'll just laugh. People go if you say, oh, I go react, I'll just laugh, but like, waiting, forget it. Because I dey always they see, say, this life, time no day. Egero. Enjoy. As you see me so, only me once you just see me so. I feel stay this mass why you're there so. I feel stay like 2 years, I no go come outside. I feel stay 2 years, I no go come outside. Like say, oh, I want go bar, go sit down. Or I want go greet Percy for house. Oh, I want go. No. Because I take my time to discipline myself. If I don't get what I do, I will just call my friends. Like this summertime now, I have a lot of Oibo friends where get salute. I get many of them where get salute. They know me. Myself, I know them. This summer now me now, don't they call them, they remind them, make them not forget oh. And they do hair. Case they won't do, case maybe no, so Igbo na person go their store, go do it, because they still be na hair that they do, so that they know their people where want do, and I told them, I say na strictly Igbo they play their, I know they do black, and not be say because black, I know be say I know fit do black, but I know get salute, I know open salute. You understand? The time when I will come to they think of negativity, to come go the look who buy shoe, who do this one. You feel you see me for road, you wear slippers, you pass you. Now you by yourself, you don't know Equini. You don't know Equini. That one you know. Where they go? Me and my school bag. Keke Ojijave a attachment in Uruguay. Now just they go. I don't even see you. I don't see you. But if I want just see flesh, say I want still gear come out. If I gear like this, you say go no say, hey girl now. You see, no me say I see today, but you see no say I did okay for my own standard. You understand? This life of this, so this life is deep. And know how to stay happy within yourself. I get friend like that. She no fit dey happy. If she's alone, she don't know how to make herself happy. She know that is if she dey alone now, she no go fit even stay house. Only say get total you wa. She go do the call. You dey house. If I put us I dey busy, you dey house. He must go somewhere. Me you call them. Wait till they pursue you for your work. Where do you want ya? You say he no fit. True, I can't see no say people dey like that. Where that is your wire? I say you're all good though. Because me, I feel stay my house for 2 years. Yeah, we tore. If Oyibo want do if they press bear for them, I will just from here open her for them. I get big storeroom. When I just arrange what they do, it go away for them. Somebody say, please, waiting happen to Mama OKH. The driver, Mama OKH was, she was crying today bitterly because the driver, where she be carry and go dance. The driver disappoints her enemy. The driver no gree con carry her go dance. And she's supposed to do the party by 11. Around 2, Moto, she never see Moto take go the dance. So she can't cry bitterly. She was in pain. And she also asked for request of anybody wey get Kia, that Kia boss. So when they take the load their instrument, not be saying a big instrument like that. So if anybody get access, if you know who they sell, or you know who want sell, or you know who get, reach out to Mama OKH. She say she need them. Even if she not fit pay you once, she go dey pay small. Okay? She go dey pay small. So please, everybody, may we still help her with that. Even if now, even to help her find the boss, may we still help her, because if this lady continue to they cry for us online because of all these things, it no good now. You understand? It's not good, my people. So let's just see what we can do. Not be said to donate. I'm not saying this now because more donate. No. Maybe we first see the boss first. Okay? Maybe we first see. If we see, maybe we will know how much. And here, they will know what to do from there. Now they get me so naive. So my amazing people, as I was saying, why am I saying all this? Learn to make yourself happy. Alone. Only you want. Not even be the woman where be say without man you no go feel happy. If you never get that character, you have to start to the learn, and I mean you still have a long way to go, and you still have to work on yourself. Be a woman of yourself. Not wait for any man to come the man go first smile for you before you smile. No. Even though your husband they follow you, they quarrel. If you dey around, do like say you they cry. Or what be a cook be we sakbo gewa. They happy. Food not if food they kitchen. You have go pack meat where they inside. Carry cold mots. Shop banana. Chop granola joiner. Wash fin. You know, call your family if you make up. Call your friends if you make up. You know, or start to they read. Go now they train people for a lot of things now. Go they train now. Free this thing, they'll give you free certificate online. Carry yourself, put for one thing. If not driving school, go start. You just stay busy. When you don't have here, Some men sabi use mind wiyoko. Now so some women see they use mind muyema. Now when they do all those things, more and stop out because they life in a bad on. Nothing there. Oh, you see today, if you say you not see tomorrow. Now you watch na people they pile I say tomorrow, no day. Only Vanguard. If Vanguard shoot for grand bow, person you buy. Now they get me so my people. So please make yourself happy. Take care of yourself. Take care of your parents. And not say your brothers and sisters. Everybody go and work for yourself. But you see mama where they inside. A baba where they inside. Take care of them. So that if you still old, your own children will still take care of you. Aside that, enjoy yourself. Don't let anybody